Imagine holding a piece of technology that doesn't just anticipate your next move, but actively redefines how you interact with the physical world. For years, the smartphone market has felt like a game of minor iterations. A slightly faster chip, a marginally brighter screen, a new color palette. But what if the rulebook was completely thrown out? This is not just another annual update. The iPhone 18 Pro Max represents the most radical paradigm shift in mobile history. A device so fundamentally advanced that it makes everything before it feel like a prototype from a bygone era. If you think you know what a flagship phone is capable of, prepare to discard every single assumption you have ever made. The moment you lift this device, the tactile feedback tells a story of intense engineering. Apple has bypassed traditional metals to introduce a specialized, molecularly fused titanium carbide matrix. It is impossibly light, yet possesses a structural integrity that laughs at drops and scratches. But the real magic happens the second the display ignites. This isn't just a screen. It is a borderless canvas utilizing next-generation quantum dot electroluminescence. The bezels have effectively vanished, leaving you with a floating window of pure, hyperrealistic color. For the first time, we are seeing a true dynamic refresh rate that scales from a battery-sipping 1 Hz all the way up to an astonishing 240 Hz. The fluid motion is so intense, so hyper-responsive, that it feels less like interacting with a screen and more like manipulating physical objects with your fingertips. But the visual marvel is just the surface layer. The true heart of this beast lies deep within the silicon architecture. Under the hood sits the 2nm A20 Bionic Ultra chip. To put this in perspective, this processor operates at speeds that rival high-end desktop workstations, yet it consumes a fraction of the power. We are talking about a neural engine capable of executing hundreds of trillions of operations per second. This isn't just raw horsepower for the sake of benchmarks. This is real-time, zero-latency processing that completely alters your daily workflow. Apps don't just open instantly. They stay locked in a state of permanent suspension, ready to snap back into action the microsecond you look at the screen. You can edit multiple streams of uncompressed 8K video, render complex 3D environments, and run heavy background tasks simultaneously without experiencing a single stutter, a dropped frame, or even a hint of thermal throttling. This massive leap in processing power unlocks the true crown jewel of the experience. A deeply integrated, highly sophisticated neural intelligence system that completely replaces standard voice assistants. This is a private, on-device artificial intelligence that understands context, nuance, and human intent on an unprecedented level. It doesn't just wait for commands. It learns your behavioral patterns, optimizes system resources ahead of time, and acts as a proactive digital partner. It can draft complex professional emails in your exact writing style, organize chaotic schedules based on unspoken preferences, and manage your digital life with absolute fluid precision. Because this intelligence operates almost entirely on the local hardware, your personal data never leaves the device, providing an impenetrable fortress of privacy in an era where data security is constantly compromised. For creative professionals and photography enthusiasts, the camera assembly on the back